Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. If this is your first time, a very warm welcome. So, today we are diving into a crucial aspect of health, the first law of health, rest. Now, last week we established that when we neglect the laws of health, we paving diseases. So over the next 8 weeks, we will dissect each law that can transform your health. So just as we work really hard at work or business or whatever you do, we work so that we can ensure that we have a good future retirement. So it is with that same energy that we should be investing in our health. We should be making sure that we are saving our health so that when we retire, we can also enjoy whatever wealth we have accrued. We should not find ourselves in a place where we are using the health that we have saved to take care of our health. In a world where we are so pressured to outperform, whether it's at work, whether it's business, or to get the highest grade in school or college, and to make ends meet, finding time to rest can seem like a luxury. However, adequate rest is a vital component of a healthy lifestyle, and getting the right quantity and quality of sleep is essential for growth, repairing damage, and restoring energy. Did you know there is a crucial window for quality sleep, which is between 9 p.m. and 2 a.m.? This is when the hormone melatonin is released, which drives growth, repair, and restoration. So sleep deprivation is more than just feeling tired. It can cut the effectiveness of your immune system in half with just 3 hours of less sleep. So sleeping less than 7 hours a night can even reduce your life expectancy. It impairs judgment, concentration, and efficiency, leading to exhaustion and mental health. So improving your health is within reach. So you want to follow a regular exercise routine, avoid heavy meals before you go to bed. When you go to bed and your stomach is still digesting, your system is awake even though you are asleep. So you wake up feeling tired. Establish a consistent sleeping routine. Relax during the bedtime. Have a total dark room. And consider natural sleeping aids if you do struggle with sleeping. Things like magnesium or chamomile or even lavender. They all have naturally relaxing effect that will help you to sleep better. You also want to take inspiration from creation, which provides a weekly rest in Sabbath. Studies suggest that a day of rest is crucial for overall well-being. It's a chance to recharge mentally, emotionally, and physically. I remember a few years ago, I decided to take 3 days of fasting. My fast was to start at 6 a.m. until 6 p.m. Now, I didn't realize that most people wake up early to have their morning dose of caffeine or even to eat. Having gone to work on a Monday morning, first of all, wasn't a good idea because I had the worst withdrawal symptoms, and at the same time, I was very, very drained. I had the deepest sleep I've ever experienced in all my adult life, or I can remember. It was the most deep, peaceful sleep that I have ever experienced. And as a result, I decided to kick the coffee habit. I didn't realize that I was so addicted to caffeine. And this is not something that anyone knows because we grow up drinking coffee or tea. We end up overstimulating ourselves without even knowing. So, establishing healthy habits includes maintaining a total dark room, avoiding overstimulating during the day, engaging in regular exercise, and refraining from rehearsing daily problems when you go to bed. So, instead of worrying about things maybe that you have not achieved that are gonna keep you awake, having a notebook next to your bed can really help so that you can just jot down all the things that are still open and you might end up thinking about. Because once you put them down, your mind knows that you have actually kept them somewhere. Now you can unwind. The other thing is having, counting your blessing, cultivating a mindset of gratitude. So being grateful for the things that are going well in your life. And actually, there's so much. You can start even by thanking God for being alive today, or, being healthy, or having a family, having work, your business, and everything. There's so much to be grateful for, your children. So just being grateful can really help you ensure that you have a good rest. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, to share, comment, and even subscribe to our channel so that you can stay on this transformative journey. So until next time, do stay well and stay healthy.